we'll guide you through how to add text in DaVinci Resolve. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve and make sure you're in the Edit workspace by clicking on the Edit tab at the bottom of the screen. Then, look to the left side of your screen and find the Effects library. Click on it if it's not already open. You'll see a panel with various options. Scroll down until you see Titles. Click on Titles to expand it, revealing a variety of text options you can choose from. For basic text, you can select the text option. Click and drag it onto your timeline, placing it above your video clip. You can adjust the duration by dragging the ends of the text clip on the timeline. Next, you want to customize your text. With the text clip selected, go over to the Inspector panel on the right side of your screen. If you don't see the inspector, click on the Inspector button to open it. Here, you'll find options to change the text itself, its font, size, position, and color. Simply click on the text field, delete the placeholder text, and type in your desired text. To change the font and size, use the drop-down menus in the text section of the inspector. You can also adjust the position by using the position controls, allowing you to move the text to the desired spot on your video. If you want to add effects or animations to your text, you can explore further in the inspector under the Settings tab. Once you're happy with how your text looks, don't forget to play back your video to ensure everything is aligned perfectly. Adding text to your videos can greatly enhance their clarity and professionalism, so take your time to get it right. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.